So, good morning. I'm going to plant sunflowers na kinuha ko from bird feed. So, this is the source of my sunflower seeds. It is called conditioner o yung pagkain ng manok. So, as you can see, meron pa nga sunflower seeds dito. So, I collected them all. Oh, wait. Ayan. So, yung mga patukang ito, naglalaman ng mga sunflower seeds rather, na pwede mong itanim para tumubo sa isang sunflower. Yan, so I collected them all. Tapos, ganito karami yung nakuha ko for 1 kilogram. Sa amin kasi it is around 34 pesos per kilo. So, this is around, siguro 300 yung pagkakabilang ko. 300 sunflower seeds from a kilo of a conditioner or yung patukan ng manok. Yan. So, for the garden soil, I bought this from Shopee. 15 pesos per kilo ito. So, I bought around 5 or 6 kilograms. So we have our egg tray. This will be the place where I can put the sunflowers. Sunflowers are actually easy to plant. So it blooms around 1 to 2 months. I mean 2 months kasi ang nakatandaan ko. Lagyan na natin yung for this demonstration, hindi ko na pupunuin itong egg tray. Siguro wala ko ng, let's say, just 6 of sunflower seed where I can put. Or gawin na natin 9. So we have 9 areas for sunflower to grow. So kunin natin yung seeds natin. 1 seed at a time. So one seed apart. What is interesting about sunflower is they have fast germination. So, siguro after 3 days, tutubo na to. Or at least magkakaroon na ng improvement. So far, hindi lahat ng seeds from bird feeds ay tumutubo. So, you have to be cautious about that. So, meron ako ditong sunflower na tinanim na 10 days old na siya. Yan. I planted this on actually July 25. So, August 4 na ngayon. So, it's around 10 or 11 days after. Siguro mga nasa 5 inches sila. Paslant yung pagtubo niya kasi the sun is actually coming here. This part. So, sinusundan nila kasi yung sun. So, yun, pag ganyan yung tubo nila. So, I have this here sunflower na tumubo na. It is 2 month old or nag-bloom na siya. Yan. Yan. Actually, pa-dry na rin yung sunflower na ito. So, dito ka lang siya nilagay sa 1.5. So, hindi siya ganun kalakihan. So, wait until 3 days. Tapos, tutubo na yung sunflower niyo. And, after a month or so, 1 month ko lang kasi hinintay ito tapos nag-bloom na siya, and eventually mamamatay na siya, then you gather sunflower seeds again, and tapos paplant lang siya. So that is the cycle of planting sunflower. Remember to water it, tapos huwag niyo siyang hayaang ma-underwater, and Also, di rin pwede yung overwater. So, control it. This 1.5 liter bottle, you can grow sunflower in that pot. Hindi siya ganun kalakihan. So, mga siguro 2 rulers lang to, or parang 2 feet lang eh. O wala pa nga 2 feet. Or 1.5 feet lang ito.